In the wild jungles, nature leaves behind snake bones, the very base of our luxurious face masks. These bones hold the secret to radiant skin, waiting to be discovered by skilled hands.
The bones are carefully harvested by local farmers, following age-old practices passed down through generations.
Each bone is a gift from nature, collected with respect and care.
Only the strongest, cleanest bones will make the journey to the factory. Each load of snake bones will be transformed into a high-end face mask, ready for processing.
The bones travel for hours, navigating through rough terrain to reach the factory.
The bones endure a long journey, but their integrity remains intact.
The journey from jungle to factory is complete, and now the real transformation begins.
Each sack is carefully unloaded and moved to the inspection area, where the bones will be examined.
Every bone from a rattlesnake is inspected for damage and cleanliness, because only perfect bones can produce premium collagen.
Only the strongest, cleanest bones move forward, while the damaged ones are set aside for other uses.
The bones are placed into washing bins, where the first stage of cleaning begins.
High-pressure water strips away every trace of dirt and debris, leaving the bones clean and ready for the next step.
All residue is washed away, revealing the natural white beauty of the snake bone.
The clean bones move along the conveyor, entering the next phase of preparation. Workers monitor every step, ensuring the process runs smoothly and efficiently. The bones are loaded into the crusher, where they will be broken into smaller fragments for easier processing.
The crusher activates its powerful blades, ready to transform solid bones into manageable fragments.
Snake bones enter the crusher hopper, and the first impacts begin to break them apart.
The hammer strikes with immense force, breaking the bones into fragments in a fraction of a second.
The bones continue to break into smaller and smaller pieces as they pass through the crusher.
Only the smaller bone fragments proceed to the next stage, while larger pieces are recrushed.
The separation process ensures uniform fragment size, which is critical for consistent collagen extraction.
The approved fragments are collected in a sealed bin, ready for the boiling process.
Fragments batch 247.
The fragments are transported to the boiling station, where the next transformation will take place.
The boiling tanks stand ready to receive the bone fragments, where heat and water will work their magic.
The bone fragments are dumped into the boiling tank, and immediately the extraction process begins.
The heat and pressure work together, pulling collagen and nutrients from the bone fragments into the water. Inside the tank, the bones release their valuable collagen, turning the water into a nutrient-rich broth. As the bones boil, grease and impurities separate and rise to the surface where they can be removed. The impurities gather into a cohesive layer, making them easy to skim off and discard.
The worker skims the impurities from the surface, leaving behind a cleaner liquid rich in collagen.
With the impurities removed, the collagen-rich liquid now stands clear and pure, ready for extraction. The worker checks the bone's softness, confirming that the collagen has been fully extracted and the bones are spent.
The collagen-rich liquid is drained from the tank and sent to filtration to remove any remaining solid particles.
The filtration system removes every microscopic particle, leaving only pure liquid collagen.
Pure liquid collagen now fills the storage tank, ready to become the foundation of a luxurious face mask. The collagen is stored in a temperature-controlled tank, awaiting the next stage, where it will be blended with premium skincare ingredients.
The liquid collagen is transferred to the mixing unit, where it will be combined with other ingredients to create the final face mask formula. Aloe vera hyaluronic acid and essential oils are added to the collagen, creating a powerful blend of hydration and nutrition for the skin.
The ingredients are blended together, creating a smooth, thick gel that will form the base of the face mask.
The gel has a luxurious texture, thick and glossy, designed to adhere perfectly to the skin and deliver deep hydration.
The gel travels through the pipeline to the molding station, where it will take the shape of a face mask.
The gel is poured precisely into each mold, ensuring every mask has the perfect shape and thickness.
Each mold is filled evenly with no waste, and the excess gel is recycled back into the system.
The filled molds enter the drying chamber where controlled heat and airflow transform the gel into a durable yet flexible face mask. The drying process locks in the beneficial ingredients while creating a mask that is easy to handle and apply.
The masks have taken their final shape, ready for inspection and packaging to become a luxury skincare product.
The finished masks are removed from the molds and brought to the inspection station for quality control.
Rigorous visual and tactile inspection to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality.
Only masks that pass every test move forward, while defective masks are removed from the production line.
The approved masks proceed to the packaging line, where they will be sealed and prepared for distribution. The automatic packaging machine seals each mask in a sterile pouch, preserving its freshness and potency.
Each mask is carefully packed into a luxury box designed to protect the product and delight the customer. Branding and labeling ensure that every box is traceable and provides the customer with all the information they need.
The boxes are stacked and wrapped, ready to be shipped to retailers and customers around the world.
The final product, a luxurious face mask infused with snake collagen, aloe vera, and hyaluronic acid, ready to transform your skin.
Experience the luxury of snake collagen skincare. Order your mask today and discover the secret of radiant, youthful skin.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The scripts and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Veo 3, Meta, Grok, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creators' content. This video is informative only and does not represent AI visual as real footage.